be shy, baby. I don't brag most of the time.
Thank you guys for coming back to the channel once again. My name is Estelle, and today I am going to redo my coffee station. I previously had it on my counter, but during the holidays when all you guys was doing your coffee cocoa bar, I thought I want one too. I've got this stand that I'm using that I'm going to put my items on. Originally, this stand was for my god babies, for them to store their toys on and their snacks when they come over. But mom got to wall her up her butt one day and tested me. And you guys know what I say at the end of my videos. Don't let anybody disturb your peace. And she found out the hard way. So now I'm using my stand to do my coffee candy station for Valentine's. So guys, I'm gonna turn this camera around and we're gonna get started. I'm going to start off with these trays that I made last year while I was praying and waiting on God to provide me this beautiful apartment. Won't He do it, guys? Yes, He will. I'm using some command strips on that. And I'll be sure to link these in the description section. I'm going to use this white stand. And I'm going to start at the very bottom of this stand. This was a recent DIY. My candles were a DIY also. I just put some ribbon and some rhinestone around it. I purchased this base at 99 cents only, and I just took a Dollar Tree bubble vase and glued it on top. Now I'm going to come to the top of the stand. I'm using a placemat and I cut off the top of it. And guess what, guys? I found some more. These have hearts on them. I found them at our local 99 cents only store. I love that store, guys. I'm always finding good bargains there. Next, I'm going to use my beautiful two-tiered stand that I made for my coffee station. I don't drink a lot of coffee, guys, but I do enjoy a good cup every now and then. Let me change something around. I'm going to move my placemat over just a little. I made this cute Be Mine sign for my travel coffee mug, but I later changed it to silver. I had to move the pictures up some because I forgot one important thing, and that is my DIY changeable sign. Making my own sign with removable vinyl, and I just stuck these on with just a little dab of glue, so when I want to take them off, I can take them off. I can change my sign out for whatever I'm putting on my boyfriend. That's a tip to you guys who go out and buy a sign for every season. Get you a Cricut machine, do your own sign. Using some command strips to hang that. Ooh, I'm good today. And I do have a DIY on this side. Simple, easy. A piece of wood. You never would know. Now I'm taking these pink and red gems and I'm just kind of spreading them out. I have these DIY coasters. And my beautiful coffee mugs. I'm going to put my DIY coffee jar back up here along with the sugar jar. If you missed this DIY for the stand and the jars, make sure you go back and take a look at that. I got this cute heart-shaped container at Goodwill a few years ago. In case you're new on this channel, I used to have a balloon gift business. So some items that I'm using on here is leftovers from that business. I haven't spent a lot of money trying to create this. I added some Hershey Kisses to this beautiful jar. I also added some rhinestone ribbon to the top of the jars to dress them up. Then I added some hot marshmallows to the second jar. And be sure to wash your jars before adding your candy. Then I added some cherry jelly hearts to the third jar. I'm going to sit all of my candy jars on the second shelf, and I'm using my DIY ice cube tray to sit them on. I'm using a Dollar Tree vase that I added some Twix salted caramel bars inside, and these bars are good. Then I'm using another Dollar Tree vase that I'm adding some milk chocolate pretzel rods to. Next, I'm using this beautiful slanted jar that I purchased from Gordon Ridge years ago. And did you know that Gordon Ridge is now the at-home store? And I'm adding some turtle candy bars in it. I purchased this container also when they were Gordon Ridge. And I'm adding some Valentine heart cookies that I purchased from Dollar Tree. Then I'm adding my small candy jars that I'm sure my guests will enjoy, and some heart-shaped containers as decor. Guys, as I was standing here recording, I realized I never labeled my coffee and sugar jars, so now I have. Then I decided to embellish my mugs and jars using my Cricut machine to add some small hearts to the mugs. And to the cookie jar, I added this beautiful Be Mine with a heart over the eye. And the word candy to 2 of the jars. I love having a Cricut machine to do this. Next, the beautiful reveal.
Don't be shy, baby. I don't bite most of the time. I'll be the one want to light your fire. If you want me, babe, come and get me, baby. I'll be the one to take you higher. If you let me, babe, come and get it, babe. Sparks, sparks, flying from our hearts tonight. Sparks, sparks, give you everything you want tonight. Tonight, 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 tonight. Sparks fly tonight, 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 tonight. Sparks fly. Ain't no dimming our shine as long as it's you by my side. And I ain't never leaving your side, baby. So let's give into the rhythm. Let's fall in love tonight. Fall in love tonight. Fall in love, baby. The fire in our hearts, burning with desire.
Thank you once again for coming back and looking at another creative video. I hope you guys enjoy the coffee candy bar station. And I just want to send a special shout out to all of my subscribers. I've gotten so many new subscribers this month. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you for letting me know that you are loving my content. And I have much more content to come. I will be doing a makeover on my bar cart real soon for Valentine's Day, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much. If you're not a subscriber to this channel, go right ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are loving my content. Thank you guys, and be blessed. And remember, never to let anyone disturb your peace and joy.